So John, what made you choose this particular site? Because I'm assuming this was one of a number that you'd been looking at.
Yes, as we discussed earlier, Richard. I mean, we were looking for an opportunity. We'd done a few appraisals of a few sort of schemes that were on the market or looked like they were good developments. This one came on through a receiver, and it really was, the numbers were right. The risk profile after I'd done the due diligence looked fairly low. The fact that it was entry level housing, 100 and we envisaged under 140k at the time. The apartments looked like we could sell them for the values we have now, between 80 and 85, and we felt that was an accessible market for, if it wasn't going to be an owner occupier, then an investor would want to buy them. Even with the housing, the backup thought was an investor would want to buy that and possibly invest in it longer term.
Yes.
So it really was the numbers, and the opportunity came in at the right price.
Putting the numbers to one side, it's the location in terms of transport, in terms of nearness to the city.
Willenhall is a small town outside of Birmingham. It's just not far from Warsaw, not far from Wolverhampton, perhaps in between the two.
Yes.
And so it's a positive in that it's got access to these places, and it's 2-3 junctions down the M6.
Yes.
So we felt that it was, had a lot of positives in that respect.